could show me what your Instagram is, then I could add you. Okay. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. That's my Instagram. Thank you for staying my live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And my Facebook is Sarah B. Aykamari. Sarah B. Aykamari is my Facebook account. Wait, what was your Instagram? Maruchu 4. But please add me to Facebook account Sarah B. Aykamari. Sarah B. Aykamari. Okay? Are you get it? Did you get it? Sarah B. Aykamari. That's my Facebook account. Did you get it, sir? How do you spell that? Sarah B. S-A-R-A-H-B-I-E. Aykamari is a A-I-K-A-M-I. Sarah B. Aykamari. That's my Facebook account. If you could write it down, it will. So I like to, but I don't know how to write. I don't know how to write. I don't know how to write. Where? Where? I don't know how to write. Message. I don't know how to write. How? Where? I don't know how to write. How? Where I write? I don't know. I don't know where. Where? I don't know, sir. Wakaranay, yari ka ta, wakaranay. I don't know. I don't know where. I'm sorry. I forgot the live stream. I have a broken English. I speak broken English. I'm sorry. I don't know where. I don't know how to write. Where? I don't know. Saan ba? Welcome. I don't know. Thank you so much for staying my live stream today. I'm so glad and I'm so very excited to answer your question, guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you for staying. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. If you could write down, I don't know how to write. I don't know. Doko ni kako kawakaranay. Sigaw. Doko ni kako tokoro wakaranay.